Hey guys, I've got a marketing parable for you today. This is called The Baker and the Marketer. So, a long time ago, a baker deciding to increase his profits puts up a big sign outside his bakery. And it says, "Best bakery in town." Now, a lot of people notice this. There are quite a few people coming in and a lot of rivals see this and they start to complain. And so they complain to the local governing body, who come in and investigate and can't really decide who the best bread is made by. Now, the baker ends up taking down the sign because he can't establish that his bread is actually the best. So he puts up another sign with "Fresh bread baked daily" written on it. So, this is a lot better. But a large amount of his rivals also say, "Well, this is interesting, isn't it? We also bake our bread daily." So it takes the power away from the sign, and eventually the baker just puts up a sign saying "bread." Anyway, along comes a marketer one day. The marketer takes one look at the sign and says, "Why is your sign so plain?" And the baker explains the story to him. The marketer then says, "Why not try this? Bread that people will talk about. That way, even your enemies will do your marketing for you." Now, when it comes down to it, a little bit of innovation, going outside the box, doing things in a slightly different way is a really, really good way to increase your business. And sometimes it just takes somebody coming up with an idea that is based on like past experiences of a business, what they actually do. A good slogan can really help drive a brand. But doing something like this will really help you, because then in a situation like that, even your enemies will be talking about you, which will be marketing you and helping promote you, which is really, really good. Now, there are many ways that you can do this. If you have any issues with like your brand or anything like that, just leave me a comment, let me know. I will try and get back to you and I'll come up with something for you. But it is very, very easy to come up with something that is different and that is going to help you gain notoriety. So branding is really, really important for your business. Anyway, I hope this helps. You take it easy and have a lovely day. Bye.